welcome back to my channel, and today is like the most exciting day ever because I've got my first PR package and I'm super stoked about this video and I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I did go ahead and open this up, that way it wouldn't be so loud on camera. So if you all are excited about this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below because you don't want to miss out on any other like PR videos or makeup videos. So also, if you do subscribe, go ahead and check out some of my other videos I have. I have a lot of videos, so go check some of those out. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started into the video. So whenever you open the box, it looks like this, and I was sent this mask by the company called Teamy, and it is a green tea detoxifying mask. So whenever you open it up, it just comes like this. It comes in a nice plastic tub, and it smells amazing, and oh, it just makes me feel so refreshed just by smelling it. I can't imagine what my skin's gonna feel like. So just a few things about the company. I wrote a few things down here. So be sure to go ahead and check the website out. It is just teamyblends.com. So some facts about the detoxifying mask. Number one, it smells amazing. It helps with eliminate acne and clogged off pores with the green tea that is in the product. It boosts stimulated dead skin cells, and it improves dull and dead skin with the antioxidants in the product. It nourishes the skin with the bentonite clay, and then your face will receive more of a glow with the lemongrass, which refreshes the skin and lightens it. And then it also moisturizes and heals, and it also has an anti-aging effect, which will reduce the look of fine lines in your skin. Also, the mask is cruelty-free, made in the USA, so both of those are big pluses for me. And the mask is also 75% organic. So that's just a little rundown of the mask, and really excited about this. Also on the front you can see that it has the matcha, lemongrass, and clay in it that I kind of talked about, what it will do for your skin. So on the back, or on the side of the tub, it says to dampen your face and then apply the mask and allow to set for 10 to 15 minutes. And then it says for best results, use 1 to 4 times weekly as needed. So I am going to be honest with you guys, I have already used this product twice already this week, and I can really tell a big difference, like a good difference in my skin. Like, it just feels really clean, and it doesn't quite feel like as oily, and I really fight oily skin and clogged pores. So I am going to go ahead and apply this to my skin for you guys today. That way you can see how it applies. And I'm going to go ahead and insert the couple of clips right now of me using the product, and kind of showing you how my face looked the first time and the second time. And I think the product is amazing, and I am so excited to use this product. Oh, also guys, if you want to receive 15% off of your next order, you can use Bridget15. I'm going to pop it up on the screen right now, and that will get you 15% off on your order. And I will receive a little bit of money from you using that code. So just a disclaimer out there, but I was not paid to do this review. They just sent me the product, and so we're going to go ahead and get started with the video. That way you guys can see how it works. Alrighty guys, so I did go ahead and dampen my face, and I have learned after using this product twice already that dampening your face is really key to the product working well. And if you don't dampen your face, you just apply the mask way too thick and you use too much product, and it just it doesn't work as well. So really make sure you follow the instructions. Alrighty, I will let this sit for 10 minutes and I will be back. Alrighty y'all, I am back and it has been 10 minutes and the mask is completely dried, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off real quick and I will come back and let you guys I will let you know my final thoughts. So I'm back and got that all washed off my face, and it just feels so amazing, and I am in love with this mask already, and I legit can't wait to be able to purchase it again because it is such an awesome product. And this is not me just trying to get you guys to use my code and order something. This is me actually saying that I really do love this product, and I am so thankful that Teamy sent me this product to review, and I have enjoyed working with them. And so guys, I do highly recommend you guys getting on their website and checking out this mask because it is a very good product for your skin, and healthy skin is a very important factor of your life. And so yeah, my rundown on product, I think it smells great. It really has helped reduce the appearance of my pores. They don't seem so vivid, and like they don't feel as clogged anymore. And I'm not sure if it will help with the acne thing yet or not. I will need to continue to use this product for a few more weeks in order to be able to know that for sure. But I have noticed that it has helped with my pores not feeling as clogged, and my skin does seem a little bit brighter, as it talked about the lemongrass doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm just gonna keep chatting as to how much I love this product. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this review on this mask, and if you did, please be sure to smash that thumbs up button, and also don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.